13 tricks that turn on women. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever scratched your head trying to figure out what women really desire in a man? Well, today we are diving deep into that mystery. We are going to unveil 13 proven tricks and behaviours that women find irresistibly attractive. And by the end of this video, you will be armed with insights to not only spark her interest, but to fan those flames. Eager to become the man she can't stop thinking about? Let's unlock these secrets together. Cultivating mystery. Mystery can be a major turn-on for women. A bit of enigma keeps that curiosity alive, making you enticing and intriguing. This aligns with the research in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, which emphasizes that a touch of mystery can enhance attraction. So to be mysterious, you don't have to cloak yourself in secrecy. Rather, it's about creating an aura of intrigue around you. It's about revealing yourself slowly and keeping some aspects of your life private. It's about making her wonder about your thoughts, your dreams, and your motivations. This shroud of mystery piques her interest and keeps her interested in knowing more about you. Women are drawn to this sense of intrigue, and it serves as a powerful turn-on, making you a captivating enigma that women can't resist unraveling. Excellent listeners. On the dance floor of attraction, the ability to listen attentively is a highly admired move. Women appreciate a man who listens, not just hears, but truly listens. A study published in the journal Sex Roles confirms that attentive listening is a significant factor in enhancing attraction levels in a relationship. Women value emotional connection as much as, if not more than, physical connection. By being a good listener, you show her that her feelings, her thoughts, and opinions matter. It's more about understanding and less about problem solving. Don't just listen to respond, listen to understand. Active listening is an essential tool in your attraction toolbox. Ask follow-up questions, reflect back on what she's saying. Such engagement builds rapport and trust, strengthening your connection and turning her on more emotionally. The Art of Gentlemanly Chivalry. As we continue our exploration, the art of being a gentleman emerges as the key factor in the dance of attraction. Despite societal evolution, the old world charm of being a gentleman, of men being courteous and respectful, holds its appeal among women. But keep in mind that this is a thin line. Chivalry is not about condescension or treating her as a weaker sex. It's about respect and making her feel valued and special. So open the door for her, offer to carry her heavy shopping bags, or walk her safely to her car. Small acts like this demonstrate your respect for her, making you immensely attractive in her eyes. And as you practice this, remember that its essence lies not in grand gestures, but in everyday acts of kindness and respect. This not only enhances your attractiveness, but also makes you a better person overall, turning on women with the charm of your character. Building emotional connection. The cornerstone of any meaningful relationship and an often understated turn-on for women is an emotional connection. Just like a plant that flourishes with care and attention, a romantic bond thrives when nurtured with emotional involvement. According to Daniel Goleman, author of the groundbreaking book Emotional Intelligence, the ability to connect emotionally is pivotal in forming more satisfying and enduring relationships. An emotional connection goes beyond superficial interactions and delves into a deeper understanding and care for each other's feelings. This connection isn't born out of grand romantic gestures, but of consistent small acts of empathy, understanding, and genuine interest. So be present when she talks, understand her emotions, and be supportive when she's going through a tough time. Being a pillar of emotional support makes you more than just an acquaintance. It elevates you to the status of a confidant and partner, which can be a major turn-on for women. Display of intelligence. Women value intelligence. They appreciate a man who can stimulate their mind as much as their physical senses. This is where the concept of a sapiosexual comes from, a person attracted to intelligence. The Journal of Sex Research confirms a significant correlation between intelligence and attractiveness. Being knowledgeable not only creates engaging conversations, but also exudes an aura of competence and confidence that women find enticing. Remember that you need to share insights about different topics, listen to her perspectives, and challenge her intellect gently. This mental stimulation acts as a major turn-on, making you a magnet that draws women towards you. An informed conversation sprinkled with witty remarks and insightful comments portrays you as a man of substance. It tells her that you are open-minded, well-informed, and can hold your ground in intellectual discussions. This intellectual charisma ignites women's interest and makes their attention to you more profound. Valuing her independence. Women, just like men, value their independence. Men who respect and cherish a woman's individuality and independence can be a significant turn-on for them. This aligns with the findings in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin that suggest women are more attracted to men who respect their autonomy. So you need to learn to respect her choices, trust her decisions, and appreciate her independence. This isn't merely about acknowledging her ability to take care of herself, but also about appreciating her individuality and supporting her freedom. By valuing her independence, you are subtly conveying that you see her as an equal, not as a damsel needing constant assistance. Now, this sense of respect for her autonomy makes you more attractive, as it shows you are understanding and in consideration of her individuality. Women find this understanding deeply appealing, and it acts as a significant turn-on. Gentle yet assertive. The contrasting combination of gentleness and assertiveness can be a powerful turn-on for women. According to Psychology Today, assertiveness is a strong attractor as it reflects a man's ability to assert his beliefs without being overly aggressive or dominating. Being assertive implies expressing your thoughts and feelings openly while also considering her feelings and viewpoints. It reflects your confidence and respect for her opinion simultaneously. The ability to articulate your perspective without dismissing hers makes you more appealing in her eyes. Gentle assertiveness is about striking a balance between confidence and empathy. It's a blend of strength and sensitivity that women find deeply attractive. It portrays you as a man who respects her opinions while holding on to his own, making you irresistibly attractive in a woman's eyes. But this one takes a little practice to perfect. Proving consistency. Consistency is a subtle yet powerful trait that can turn a woman on because it shows reliability. So keep your promises, follow through on your commitments, and be there when you say you will, and your worth in her eyes will rise exponentially. Consistency shows that you're a man of your word, someone she can rely on, a trait that is incredibly attractive to women. In the uncertainty of the modern dating scene, a man who is consistent in his actions and intent stands out. This reliability, the consistency, becomes a turn-on as it brings a sense of security and stability that women find profoundly appealing. Confidence that draws attention. Ladies by nature are magnetically pulled towards confidence. A man who radiates self-assurance is invariably appealing. According to Dr. Robert Glover, author of No More Mr. Nice Guy, a confident man who knows his worth is immensely attractive to women. However, don't confuse arrogance with confidence. There's a subtle yet significant distinction between the two. Confidence is about being comfortable in your skin, while arrogance is a display of superiority. Women appreciate a man who's sure of himself but does not degrade others to feel superior. Remember that confidence isn't only about physical appearance, it's about your attitude, behaviour, and how you carry yourself. Whether you are out for a casual meetup or a formal dinner, let your confidence shine and you'll notice its magnetic effect on women around you. Being humorous. Everyone knows this one, but women love a man with a sense of humour. It's a fact, and it's not just about cracking jokes, but about seeing the light-hearted side of life, making people laugh and creating a joyful atmosphere. Humour breaks the ice, eases tension, and makes conversations enjoyable. It's a potent tool that can turn a mundane conversation into an enjoyable experience. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian to attract her. Just be genuine, be yourself, and share the funny side of life with her. A man who can make a woman laugh can carve a special place in her heart. Your sense of humour not only brightens her day, but also amplifies your attractiveness. It's a potent turn-on, making you irresistibly charming and endearing in a woman's eyes. Showing respect. Women are attracted to men who treat them with respect. As per a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, respectful behaviour significantly influences attraction. Show genuine respect for her and the people around you. But then again, respect goes beyond politeness. It's about recognising and appreciating her as an individual. It's about treating her with kindness, understanding, and equality. It's about valuing her thoughts, feelings, and decisions and acknowledging her worth. When you treat her with respect, you're not just being a gentleman, you are showing her that you see her as your equal and that you value her for who she is. This respect is a powerful turn-on, making you a man she truly admires. Making her feel special. Making a woman feel special is one of the most effective ways to turn her on. According to a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, feeling special and valued can significantly enhance romantic attraction. Show her that she's not just another person, but someone truly unique and important to you. Compliment her genuinely, listen attentively, and when she talks, remember the small details that she shares. Celebrate her achievements and support her in her endeavours. These gestures might seem small, but they carry a lot of weight in making her feel special and cherished. Expressing emotional maturity. Emotional maturity is a major turn-on for women. According to a study in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, women find men who are emotionally mature more attractive. Emotional maturity is about understanding and managing your emotions, empathizing with others, and maintaining emotional balance. To be emotionally mature, you need to show her that you can handle emotions effectively, your own and hers. Be there for her in her times of need, listen to her without judgment, and respond with understanding and compassion. Show her that you're not afraid of emotions and that you can handle emotional situations maturely. Your emotional maturity tells her that you are a man who can handle the ups and downs of life, a man she can lean on in times of sadness, and it's a powerful turn on, making you a man who not only understands her but also understands himself. You've mastered the tricks to intrigue her, but can you tell if she's absolutely crazy for you or notice the clear indicators she wants all eyes on her? Dive in deeper now, and if this enlightened you, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.